Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the construction going on the Southern Coastal Highway. This is the section that takes you through Whitehorse in St. Thomas. We're actually driving from Yalos towards Morant Bay, and we're going to go through this section. As you can see, it's almost 90% complete. Of course, the white lines are always the last thing to be done. And this section is being done by a local contractor. There are 3 local contractors on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, and this is one of the sections that's being done by the local contractor. So between Harborview and Yalos, the highway is 4 lanes, but between Yalos and Portland, the highway is 2 lanes. But if you look at where they have the poles, you notice that there is space in case they need to expand it to 4 lanes. Now, I think they should have just built the road at 4 lanes because the section that's finished has seen an increase in the traffic coming to this side of the island. This road is going to put Morant Bay back on the map. You saw a car pulled over there. You see how much space they have. So it can easily be put in at 4 lanes when they're ready. I guess it's the cost, etc., why they're just going 2 lanes now. But if you use the town of Morant Bay, or more specific, the Morant Bay Urban Center, as a way to judge the increased activity on this side of the island, then it has definitely increased. Hilo is coming to Morant Bay, KFC, you name it. Universities are being built in Morant Bay now. That kind of activity never happened before this road was built. So this road has definitely done its job. Have to say, job well done to CHIP. They are the main contractor and the 3 local contractors left. They started with 10, but 7 had to either give it up or CHIP took back the project because they weren't getting a job done. But 3 of them are still working, so job well done to them, and job well done to the government. They have definitely put this project into place, and it is reaping rewards for St. Thomas. The major problem to get to Morant Bay was the road. Hence, St. Thomas became the forgotten parish because nobody wanted to go over there unless they had to, because it was such an awful drive. The road was winding, it was bad, but all that has changed with this road now. And I'm telling you, the view of St. Thomas is such a beautiful parish. Look at the ocean to the right. The potential over here is amazing. Alright guys, enjoy the tour, and we'll keep you updated on this project. We'll give you updates every week as to what's going on, and we'll give you updates on the entire road from Kingston to Portland. Alright guys, have a good day. Leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about this road and all the economic rewards that St. Thomas is now reaping because of this road. Alright guys, have a good day.